Hi friends, welcome to Profit Plum Collective. This is Sheila Santosh. In today's video, I want to share a very important piece of information. Maybe not for everybody, but for a few handful of YouTubers. This will definitely come in handy for all of us at some point of time if we happen to delete our permanent account accidentally. So I'll just start explaining about my experience, how I deleted my permanent account and how I got it back. This video is totally entirely about my experience, the nightmare which I faced by doing this silly act. So one fine day, one fine morning for that matter, as usual, when the minute we get up, as we all used to do, I also was fiddling with my YouTube features, and suddenly I noticed my channel got deleted. I was kind of trying to move my account to my brand account, and to my dismay, when I noticed my channel got deleted completely, not in a position to access my account and edit any of those videos and that, and it was such a nightmare. And I know a handful watching this video can easily connect to what I'm trying to say, because for each and every video, how much of effort we put in and what kind of passion we have to create our videos, and all that goes without saying. And with the kind of subscribers with so much of difficulties when we get, and it all just vanish in no minute with a boom. And how do you feel? And how can you face it? What can you do to get your channel back? And I totally lost my cool and was panicking, and you know what all we will undergo. And it was just I just didn't know what to do. And we all got our life savers in the form of different YouTube videos. Started watching. I gathered myself. I know what I have done is wrong, and only I could do something to get my account back. So I then started watching different videos specific to this topic of how to get your channel back. But most of the videos, they were discussing about the brand account which you happen to delete. How can you get your brand YouTube account back? But in this video, I'm not going to touch upon that topic. This is entirely to do with your personal account, which is next to impossible to get back, is what most of the videos were actually portraying. And as I was going through all that, I was losing all my hope, and I didn't know what to do, but very desperately I wanted my channel back, because I have only 250 plus subscribers only at present, and to get these subscribers but not trying any I don't know what to say, any other means. It's only purely to do with your hard work you put in and get your subscribers. And if you happen to lose them in no minute, and how can we even take it? So I was then started going through different videos and going crazy literally. And but slowly was gathering myself, started playing bit cool, and I was going through different videos, and happened to come across one video suggested by YouTube only. Then that video really helped me. It just gave me kind of hope, a little bit of hope. There is some possibility which I can try to do something about the whole issue. So I was just following whatever instruction was there in that video, and you will not believe it. It was a bit of a process. So just by sending one mail or tweet, you will not get your channel back right away. That is not possible. And in that video, it was suggesting, instead of trying the Google method, she was suggesting to try using the Twitter account. Like she was telling to tweet instead of sending an email to the YouTube team. And she was suggesting addressing to this team YouTube, tweet to this team and explain your problem, and if there is any luck, you will get your channel back. Luck in the sense here, if it is if I don't know what exactly to say. If it is not, you've not done anything illegal which is not acceptable by the team, and if it is genuine, if the reason is genuine, and if it is possible for the team YouTube to help you out, they will definitely help you out. But most of the videos which I was seeing suggested otherwise. They said it is next to impossible to get your account back if it is a permanent account. And so this is the one and only way by which you can get your YouTube account back, is what the video was suggesting me. So no other choice for me, just but to follow the instructions given in the video. So what I have done, created my Twitter account and sent my first tweet to YouTube team, addressing team YouTube, and explain how it really happened, what exactly happened, and given explaining completely about what kind of account my channel is, in the sense it is a personal account, not a brand account, and the handle, YouTube handle, my channel handle numbers and all the details I've sent to them. And you know what kind of reply you get. It is a standard reply, nothing different from what they were discussing in the video. It was a very formal reply from team YouTube. They said if your account is deleted by making use of this advanced settings, it's not possible to retrieve your account back. Yes, the information there in the reply, which I couldn't really accept because I was desperate. Though what they were saying really makes sense, I was not really in a position to just take what they were trying to say. So I didn't leave at that point, like immediately I sent my second tweet to them explaining I am like how I was telling you, I am a budding YouTuber, and with what kind of difficulty and effort we are preparing our videos, and kind of it was a bit emotional blackmail kind of things, like any human being when they go through that, and if they get a feeling that okay, this is genuine, and they would definitely try to help you out. This is what I'm trying to say. So don't go by what the other videos say. Don't just lose your hope. You please tweet to the YouTube team, explain your difficulties very thoroughly, clearly and convincingly. That only really matters. And then when I tweeted, sent my second tweet, to my surprise, I got a reply for my second tweet saying that you can send your URL, and they asked for few other details. So I sent my channel URL to them, like whatever they were asking, I was just following what I'm supposed to do, I was doing. And after some time, and their reply, they didn't take months or days together to give us any reply. It was just happening simultaneously, in the sense not simultaneously, it was happening immediately. In a sense, it was they were not making us wait for days together. At least they are understanding our difficulty, the situation, and they are replying in a very short period of time. That is the assurance I can give you. After I'm speaking from my experience. And so I got my second tweet reply from them asking for a few details, and when I sent, then I understood, okay, they are considering my case and they are trying to help me out, and very patiently I was waiting. And now the next reply which I get from them is saying that my handle, YouTube handle, account handle is active, it's not got deleted, and they were in a position to access my videos and all that. It was a bit positive kind of a reply from them, but they also were not in a position to retrieve my deleted channel back immediately. And they then gave me the suggestion of logging in, signing out, and different other options which I can try, because since my handle is active, they just wanted me to log out and sign in again. So, and they have sent a few links also to suggesting me to try those links. So now light at the end of the tunnel. So I was not really losing my hope. I was just holding on to my belief that I will definitely get my channel back, and just followed, used those links whichever sent by them, and it was taking me and to a particular page, and I was just doing following the instructions. And then with so much of hope, I was coming back and trying to check whether my channel is alive, active. And you would have guessed, no, nothing happened. Even now I was seeing no channel with the tick mark to my account only, in a sense whichever is not in use. I didn't know. seriously what to do, because they are helping. The team is trying their level best to help me out in this. And even then, it was nothing positive was happening. So I didn't know seriously what to do next. Even after logging out, signing in, and all that process, when I checked, still no channel only under my profile account. So that also I forwarded this piece of information to the team YouTube, and they tweeted back asking for me to send video clips of the whole process. They just want to know maybe exactly what is happening when I try all these different methods. So what I did, sent them the video clippings of what exactly is happening when I tried using the suggestions sent by them. And then only there was that was a last reply I got from the YouTube team that day night. Then the next day morning, when I checked my YouTube again, as usual, when I started fiddling, when I first checked, my channel not got retrieved, and so almost lost my hope. And when I was just checking, found my channel logo under my profile account. That was amazing feeling. Very happy I felt. And when I checked, I got all my videos back and everything was intact and nothing to worry. Immediately sent a thanking tweet to YouTube team, and such a nice people, they sent a reply also for that, and I'll share all those details of the clippings and all that with you. Please go through and don't lose your hope. So friends, long story short, don't lose your hope. If something goes wrong, YouTube team is definitely helping. You just tweet to them, don't mail anything, and you will get definitely positive replies, and with God's grace you will get your channel also back, if at all you would have lost it in the first place. So happy to share my nightmare and the happy moments with you. So if this helps somebody, I'll be happy. Bye for now. Thank you.